What is up guys, welcome to a brand new video of Absolute Digital. In this video I will show you how you can make your own sound on TikTok. So let's start this video by launching the TikTok app. On this video, if I tap on the disk icon on bottom right corner, you will see that the sound is original to this user. Now let me show you how you can make your original sound just like this. All you have to do is turn on the default screen recorder if you're using iPhone, or you can use a third-party screen recorder if you're using Android. Now open the YouTube app and search for copyright-free music. Then you have to screen record the music you like. I have already done it. Now let me show you how you can make it your original music on TikTok. Open the TikTok app and then tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Now allow all the necessary permissions. Then tap on upload on bottom right corner. Allow necessary permissions. Then select the video you just screen recorded and then tap next on bottom right corner. You can trim the video if you want to. When you are done, tap next on top right corner. Then tap next again on bottom right corner. Now you have to make sure that your video is visible to everyone, which means you have to make your video public. And then give this video a caption. And then tap on post. And it will take a few moments for the video to be uploaded. When the video is uploaded, under your caption you will see that it is your original sound. Now go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon on bottom right corner. Now play the video and then tap on the disk icon. And you will see that this is your original sound. You can add this sound to your favorites. And you can also use this sound by tapping on use this sound at the bottom of the screen. So if you find this video helpful, then do drop a like and make sure to subscribe for more tutorials. I will see you in the next one.